If you like this video, give it a like and then subscribe to Just the Chords for all of our piano tutorial videos. Today we're talking about a really common and cool progression in the key of G, the 1, 5, 6, 4. Let's learn those chords first. The 1 chord in the key of G is going to be G major, G, B, D. We're going to jump up to the 5th scale degree of the G scale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and give ourselves a D major, D, F sharp, A. D major chord for our 5th major scale degree, capital Roman numeral 5. Let's go right next door to E, but it's going to be minor. We see the 6th scale degree is lowercase. So a minor chord on the 6th scale degree in G is going to be E, G, B. For an E minor, lovely sound. We're going to end this progression on the 4th scale degree of the G major scale, 1, 2, 3, 4. The C, and it's a major chord again because it's a capital Roman numeral, so it's C, E, G, major. To see that progression in one hand, it'll go like this. Start on G, 2, 3, 4, G, go to D, E minor, that's the 6th, and on C. In 2 hands, starting on G major, a 1, 2, 3, we get... There's the 6th. Again, that's G. Have some fun with it like I did there. Mix up the in-between notes, keep putting it on loop, and then play on to our next video. Thanks.